ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास षट्त्रिंशत् 36 तुमुन् प्रत्यय तुमुनान्तप्रत्ययरूपाणि सन्ति। अत्र प्रथमः अहं कार्यं कर्तुम् इच्छामि। अहं कार्यं कर्तुम् इच्छामि। अहं वदामि अहं कार्यं कर्तुम् इच्छामि। मैं कार्य करने इच्छा करता हूँ। और व्हाट वी कैन से मुझे कार्य करना है वैसे भी बोल सकते हैं, करना चाहिए वैसे भी बोल सकते हैं। आई वॉन्ट टू डू कर्म।
मैं कार्य करने के लिए
हाँ
इच्छुक हूँ।
सत्यम, दिस इज मे बी बेस्ट। मैं कार्य करने के लिए इच्छुक हूँ। सत्यम, दैट वे यू कैन से। तुमुन् प्रत्यय पढ़ने को, कार्य करने को वैसे भी बोल सकते हैं। दे हैव गिवन है ना नियम 131 कार्य करने को और करने के लिए। सत्य। अस्तु। लेखं लेखितुं, पुस्तकं पठितुं, गृहं गन्तुं, शत्रुं हन्तुं, गुरुं वन्दितुं, भोजनं खादितुं च इच्छति। There is no great challenge in Thumun Pratyaya. Even then, we can see something. हाँ, सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु।
सो वह लिखने के लिए इच्छुक है। वह लेख लिखने के लिए इच्छुक है। वह पुस्तक पढ़ने के लिए इच्छुक है। वह घर जाने के लिए इच्छुक है। शत्रु को हराने के लिए इच्छुक है। गुरु को वंदना करने के लिए इच्छुक है। भोजनम खाने के लिए इच्छुक है।
सत्यम। और यू कैन ऑल्सो से सिंस दे आर सेइंग इच्छति, गृहम जाना चाहता है, ओके, बट इच्छुक है, इच्छुक है इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। अस्तु। हाँ भवानेव वदतु सुन्दर्जी कृपया। चतुर्थ किं भवति भविष्यति?
एष समयकालो वेला।
हाँ, yesterday we saw this. हाँ, एष समय।
Yesterday we saw. So एष is this यह।
हाँ।
तो यह समय काल या वेला। So at this time वो पढ़ने को इच्छा करता है। So interest, he would like to study at this time.
अस्तु, सत्यम्। एकनिमिषः। Sorry. 1 second. Okay, sorry. This double device thing sometimes is little interesting. हाँ, अस्तु।
Just one question on this. See, usually we say Eshaha is Pullinga and Etat and Esha. So here it says Esha. So how would I look at Esha?
There is a sutra. We saw this. Etat tados sulopo koranai samase hali. Saha and Eshaha. We had seen, right, in Sandhi Prakarana.
Yeah, correct. Where it lopa happens, Saha and Esha. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
So because of that, eshaha has become esha. So you take it as pulling only. Esha samaya kalaha. Even otherwise, since they have given kalaha, kalo is kalaha and samayaha, both are pullinga, right? So you can take eshaha in that sense.
Thank you.
Va pathitum. Astu. Abhaji कृपया वदतु तृतीय. Hari Om.
Sorry for the delay. I got a little
It's
delay
okay.
today.
हाँ तृतीय.
अहम कार्य कर्तुं शक्नोमि
हाँ
पठितुं च जानामि.
हाँ कार्यम कर्तुम. वहाँ पे वो अनुस्वार है but it is hidden. हाँ कार्यम कर्तुम.
Yes. So मैं कार्य करने का
हाँ
इच्छुक तो नहीं है. शक्नोमि मैं कार्य
हाँ.
करने में समर्थ हूँ.
हाँ
पठितुं जानामि मैं पढ़ना जानता हूँ.
सत्य. मैं कार्य कर सकता हूँ कर सकती हूँ. ऑल्सो इज ओके. पठितुं च जानामि. सम्यक्. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. हाँ भवती एव वदतु कृपया. अहं पञ्चम. अहं भोक्तुं
पर्याप्तः अलं वा अस्मि. अहं भोक्तुं पर्याप्तः अलं वा अस्मि. भोक्तुं पर्याप्तः मतलब आई हैव इनफ.
बस. हाँ इतना ही है. मैं आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इनफ, ईटन इनफ, व्हाटएवर. भोक्तुं पर्याप्तः अलम्.
मैंने इनफ कर लिया है.
भोक्तुम् अलम् अस्ति.
अलं वा अस्मि मतलब
अलम् एंड पर्याप्तः आर सिनोनिम्स.
ओके ओके. सो इट इज आइदर अलं और पर्याप्तः.
You can just say भोक्तुं पर्याप्तः और भोक्तुम् अलम्.
भोक्तुं अलं अस्मि.
अस्मि.
In both the cases.
हाँ, now I have a question, right? So in every open question, in every sentence, so you see this, in the first sentence there is ichchami, kartum ichchami, khaditum ichchati, karyam kartum shaknomi. There are two dhatus everywhere. Patitum janami, alam va asmi. ये चतुर्थ में क्या होगा फिर? There is only one dhatu, patitum. What is the second dhatu? There should be a second dhatu. है ना? Do you disagree with me? You can disagree. But I say there should be a second dhatu.
Because the kala will happen by itself. There is nothing to do in it.
So you think there is no need for a second dhatu? You say.
Or one could watch a clock. Then there would be a, मैं घड़ी देखकर इस समय पाठ करूँगा. अगर ऐसा होता तो then that घड़ी देखकर would be in the तुगन करते हैं, right?
सत्यम. बट यहाँ पे एष समय कालो वा पठितुम मीन्स ये पढ़ने का समय है. दिस इज व्हाट इट मीन्स. हाँ
Correct. So there is no other kriya here.
हाँ है क्या है?
अच्छा है.
अस्ति. लाइक हियर अहम पर्याप्तः अस्मि. भोक्तुम एंड अस्मि, टू धातुस आर देयर. भो धातु एंड अस धातु. But they gave aham. So for samaya it will be asti.
It should be asti.
हाँ, third person.
Ha, correct. So asti you can say it is good, but even if you don't, like they have given it is okay. And the same here also. Aham bhoktum alam. People say in conversations and all. Even in this recently in that Bhashya Tika, there was one back to back between Purvapakshi Siddhanti, double. There also sometimes this last Kriya Pada may not be given. It is understood.
It is, to give a technical word, it is aichik.
Yeah, it is Aichik. Satyam.
It is aichik only in Sanskritam, right? मैं जा रहा ऐसे नहीं बोलते. मैं जा रहा हूँ, जा रहा है. We have to add those in other languages.
हाँ, but बोलते हैं ना. Do we not say? Like in Hindi, do we not say like मैं जा रहा मैं? No, sir, we don't say that. Like quickly we don't.
Like मैंने किया
किया,
है
of
की
course.
जगह मैंने किया. Okay. हाँ.
But for example, if somebody asks you, "Are you going?" Then you say, "I am," right? You don't have to say I am going.
हाँ मैं ऐसा I am.
हाँ.
Yes.
So some languages it is allowed. It seems.
Implicit होता है कई बार.
हाँ. Or even like bus, we say like खाना खा लिया बस. हाँ बस मतलब मुझे बस ना, मैंने alam is bus enough. So that way is also allowed, but like in conversations etc. we will see it becomes aichik. So vaktu kamaha vaktu manaha asti, they are given here. Vaktu kama vaktu manaha, they are given the same. बोलने का इच्छुक, वो बोलने का इच्छुक है. So there are two words for that. Vaktu kamaha you can say, vaktu manaha you can say. Ramaha atra aste, aste. Aste, astam, asita, asta, asishyate. So aste, all five main akaras are given. Aste lat, lot, vidiling, lot, lam, lit. This we don't have to see everyone, but we can see some of them. खाने के लिए घर जाओ, किम भविष्यति? खाने के लिए घर जाओ.
खादितुं गृहं गच्छ.
हाँ, खादितुं गृहं गच्छ. सत्यम, बहु सम्यक. पढ़ने के लिए विद्यालय जाओ, पठितम विद्यालयं गच्छ. बालक कौवे की चोंच को तोड़ना चाहता है. दिस इज डिफिकल्ट. क्या होगा? किम भविष्यति?
The bit like Swamiji is saying, how many beaks are there of the cows?
Teeth. How many teeth?
How many teeth?
काकदंत परिचय. Right. But this is a horrible sentence. Why they give such sentences, I don't understand. Anyway, I can say, because it's little hard. Balakaha kakasya, kauve ki na, kakasya chonch chanchuhu. Chanchuhu. Todna, you can use like khanditum ichchati, or you can use it trotitum ichchati or something. This will never hardly ever come for us in our Vedanta etc. Todna, kaha aata hai todna? Khandanam will come. Todna may not come. ये भोजन का समय है.
Khandanam, not like this.
Yeah, correct. एतत् भोक्तुं समयः अस्ति. और एषः कालः, you can say. समयः, if you say, you have to say एष. If you said samayam, etat is correct. So etat bhoktum samayam asti, or esha bhoktu.
Say number 4 is esha samayah bhoktum.
Correct. So esha samayaha is there because you want to say eshaha. So you say samayaha. But if you say samayam, it will become etat. But eshaha samayaha is better because they have given in that in Sanskrit also. Esha samaya patitum, esha samaya bhoktum. Same way. Satya.
Esha samaya kalo vela, we can do all of that.
So esha samaya bhoktum or esha kalaha bhoktum, in that way. Va they have given for either or, in that sense. रमा लिखकर पढ़ सकती है. वैसे बोल सकते हैं ना हिंदी में, रमा पढ़ सकती, वो पढ़ सकती, वैसे sometimes we say, but of course maybe it is not correct.
That is too colloquial. Like Mumbai Hindi, अपन बोलेगा.
अपन लोग.
क्लास में स्वामी जी कहेंगे कल क्लास मत आना एक दिन.
अस्तु, रमा लिखकर पढ़ सकती है.
रमा लेखम पठनम च शक्नोति.
सत्य. लेखितुम, लेखनम will be ल्युट् प्रत्यय. So here तुमुन प्रत्यय. लेखितुम पठितुं च शक्नोति. सत्यम, बहुत सुंदर. कृष्ण खाना खाने के लिए, पाठ पढ़ने के लिए सर्वे. सो प्रथमः किं भवति?
कृष्णम भोजनम नहीं. भोक्तुम.
किंतु तो किं भविष्यति? कृष्ण भोक्तुं ये क्या लिए वहाँ जाता है, खाने के लिए वहाँ जाता है. हाँ,
तत्र गच्छति.
सत्यम. किन्तु कृष्णं किमर्थं?
Sorry, कृष्णः.
कृष्णः भोजनं भोक्तुं तत्र गच्छति. सेम् वे पाठं पठितुं, लेखनं लेखितुं, कर्म कर्तुं, कार्यं कर्तुं, कार्यं कर्तुं, धेनुं दोग्धुं,
दुहितुं.
धेनुं
दुहितुं.
दोग्धुं होगा, धकार, दोग्धुं. देन भार ढोने के लिए भारम वोडुं, वह धातु. Here they had given, right? This one. वह वोढुं, ये भारम वोढुं. अस्तु. अग्रे गाय, धेनु को लाने के लिए, धेनुं आनीतुं, anetum, because gunakarya will happen. Ikara will become ekara. It will become anetum. Like lekhitum, lik dhatu, lekhitum. So ani dhatu, anetum.
Aneya.
हाँ.
But look at it, because I looked at it in our Ashtadhyayi.
हाँ, देख सकते हैं.
Look for Aneya.
Ni dhatu you have to check, not anaya. You have to check for ni.
But you can look for a word that you know, right? Like Aneya, because we are more used to
Ani you can try, but will it be there? I don't know. Maybe upasarga will have to add, you see. Anaya, even if you say anaya, it will not come. Has it come? It came? This is to breathe. This is not to bring, no? This is an prane dhatu. Pranane. This is not an leke ane.
Right, okay.
Here you have to check for ni dhatu. So you saw here, I am guessing. So you saw like this and this came, right? You checked this.
Kridante.
Kridanti.
Kridante. And then you can look for Tumun.
Tumun. So you checked this way and you got anitum.
Anitu.
So this will be ni dhatu. Ni is to le jana, to take.
Yeah, niyate.
So ani will be to bring.
Ani will be to bring.
Here you can add upasarga. You see the plus sign here?
Following the same, it is netum.
Netum is to take and go. Correct. So you see in tumun pratyaya here, ni will be netum. But you want anaya.
Right.
So it's become anetum. But for this, even if anetum you're not sure, you can still add upasarga. In this plus sign next to the dhatu, and then you just go and see two upasarga you can add. जैसे उपनिषद में दो उपसर्ग हैं. Upa plus ni. So here, ang. This one. Ang upasarga. Ang plus ni, ani. So tumun will be anetum. So even dhatu, the meaning will matter also. So
But would I be able to go to it through our Shabdapata?
no,
If I go to Shabdapata and put Aneya to bring,
no,
and then would I be able to work my way from there?
no. You see?
This is dhatu converted to pratipadika.
No, not just dhatu. Why pratipadika?
Converted to dhatu.
Dhatu
So
only.
our starting point has to be dhatu.
Shabda pata is for like sanya shabdani. And dhatu pata.
Originally shabda.
But this originally now every time it is dhatu only, right? It is never shabda. Jalam anaya,
Yes.
bring. There also dhatu only. Anetum. There also dhatu.
Because the word that it is me dhatu would not have struck me. So
Ah.
I was wondering if there's any other way to get to it. That's
Like
fine.
Bhas dhatu, Prabhasa, you can say. What is prabhasa? Pra upasarga purvak. That upasarga will make the difference. And even if I check, I may be able to find without upasarga, but if I don't, then dhatu and then add upasarga, see the root. That will be. So, anetum, denum anetum, what else is there? Rassi jalane. Rassi jalane, rajjum. Rajjum. Dahitum does not sound correct. Dagdum it will be. Hakara will become dhakara through that sutra. Check that. Dhakara. Dukh dhatu is to jalana, right? No, sorry. Dah dhatu. Dah. This one. So here when you check for tumun, dagdum. Dagdum has become dagdum through this dhatu. This is an important dhatu. Jashash chator dho daha. Yesterday we had seen this dhatu. 8 to 40. So this way you can see, quickly, for quick reference, why that hakara has become dhakara, and the same can be true for whatever other dhatus we say, like that vrashcha, bhrashcha, srija, mrija, yaja, all that. When you go and see a shabda where it acts and click on that shabda, you see that this sutra is what is working. Jashash tator dho daha. This sutra makes that hakara into dhakara. Dakhtum it should be, but it will be dagdhum. Takara to dhakara. Takara to dhakara. Takara to dhakara. And hakara to dhakara, that is through this sutra. Do, der, tha, dor, gha. That sutra makes that hakara into ghakara. So you can see, even if memorizing is obviously not easy, but in the beginning, this kind of, when you click on a shabda in the app, even in Dhatu Pata, all this comes up. So sometimes when the question comes, why that pakara came from inyapaka, we can check that also. So it will be harder to check. And for example,
Sorry, Akarshi, for the Daha Dhatu that we are looking for, के बाद
है ना?
Yes. Okay.
Dagdhum. Okay. So different words, when that word is difficult to understand, just go to the dhatu and check for whichever rupa, whether nijanta will be nich pratyaya or sannanta, san pratyaya. So those kinds of pratyayas you can also access in the drop down. And kridanta, all the pratyayas come. Kridant pratyayas. So this way, different words and the sutra that is acting in that word, that is easy. The thing is, first people learn sutra and then they see where it works. It is much more valuable to see a word and see which sutra has worked there. Then you can...
That is more relevant for us.
And then the meaning will be easy to figure out once we know which sutra is added and which dhatu is that, which shabda is that. That will be. So then वृक्ष पर सप्तमा, वृक्ष पर चढ़ने के लिए तुम यहाँ आना, किम भविष्यति?
वृक्ष पर चढ़ने के लिए
I think it'll be Arodhum. I think it will only be Arodhum. Arodhum.
But that won't be a tumun pratyaya, will it? Arodhum.
It will, no? Arodhum. Instead of being, that takara gets lopa.
Takara will shift to dakara.
Correct. Instead of patitum, it should be arotum, but it will not be. It will be arodhum. That is the difference. Not much more. Sorry. So same way for all the others. Dukkham sodhum, sahan karne sodhum. Sah dhatu will become sodhum. They have given here. Sah becomes sodhum. So sahanam sarva dukkhanam apratikara purvakam, for that titiksha. So in that way sahan karna sodhum. गाय देखने के लिए गाम किम भविष्यति एनी अदर दिस द्रष्टु गान द्रष्टुम और धेनुम द्रष्टुम गाय व्हाटएवर बोथ आर करेक्ट प्रश्नम प्रष्टुम यष्टुम यज्ञ करने के लिए सो आई थिंक इट विल ओनली बी यष्टुम डज एनीवन डिसएग्री
something like yajna kartum, like that. Karya, yeah, like that. Yajna kartum.
Yes. So generally, when kartum shabda is used, generally speaking, when kartum shabda is used, the dhatu will not need a karma, or it'll just be just the dhatu, like yashtum, ishtum, in that way. There may be exceptions, but generally speaking, when this karne ke liye kartum, that way it comes, you don't need. Like for example, putra ki raksha karne ke liye. So putram rakshanam kartum, do you have to say? Or can you just say rakshitum?
I think you're right. Rakshitum should, it seems all right.
Generally when karne ke liye comes, and the dhatu is on its own, like it doesn't require a karne ke liye, and you can just say rakshitum, ishtum in that sense. Gana kana ke liye, ganam gatum. Shatrum, jeetne ke liye, jetum. Jetum. There is an important sutra, little off topic, but it comes often in our classes. There is a sutra for this jetum, jeetne ke liye. Sorry.
Not Jiji Visha. This is nothing to do with Jiji Visha.
Jiji Vishana. Jiji Visha is for jeev, to live. Jeevitam ichha. Satyam. Here there is a sutra, Kshaya Jayau Shakyarte. This one. This one basically says, Kshayam artam kshetum artam kshayam, jetum artam jayam. Where is that paribhasha? Here, you see here, this Siddhanta Kaumudi paribhasha. Laghu does not have this sutra. So if we study Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, we won't even see this sutra. But this comes in Bhashya Tika. Kshaya and Jaya. You remember in Brihadanyaka, Putrena Ayam Loko Jaya.
Yeah, Jaya has come 2-3 times.
That is this. So how this Jaya Shabda comes in the first place? Jetum Shakyam Jayam. Jetum Shakyam. So when they say Putrena Ayam Loko Jaya, this world can be won through Putra, children. Jayam. Putrena Ayam Loko Jaya, Jetum Shakya. You
so,
can.
Jayam, if you were just to give the meaning of the word Jayam, will it be like can be one? Because Shakyam itself is possible.
Yes, that only. So here you see this one, this is the meaning. Jetum Shakyam Jayam.
What I'm saying is Jetum is to win, right? Shakyam is possible. To win is possible. So what would just the word Jayam mean?
That only.
What is that?
Jetum Shakyam.
Oh, so Jetum Shakyam and Jayam. Okay.
Many times when they give definition, like even Tarka Sangraha, right?
Yeah, it does. No, I've understood. Thank you.
Yeah, all the Tarka Sangraha's definitions are like this, like one word and then just the definition. There's nothing in between or anything. Jetum Shakyam Jayam.
Samved, Ichha, Samved, ability, they are all included in the Shabda. We saw one where Ichha is included. Here it is, I can do, capability is included.
Shakya, correct, Shakya. Ichha, Shakya, Correct, absolutely. And these dhatus will always come with icha, shakya, these kinds of dhatu shabdas will come with tumun pratyay. That is why we're seeing this tumun here, generally. It will mean something when it comes with tumun. So, all this, जीतने के लिए जइयो. वह पढ़ने का इच्छुक है. तो पठितु कामः. They had given, right? वक्तु कामः और वक्तु मनाः. बोलने का इच्छुक. So, पढ़ने का इच्छुक. Patitum, but makara gets lopa and kama shabda comes. Tum kama manasorapi. This niyama, this is not a sutra, just a niyama. This niyama is...
One second. See, the word patitum itself is padane ka ichu. Right? So,
नहीं, पढ़ने का इच्छु नहीं. पठितुम इच्छा is पढ़ने का इच्छु.
patitum
Is
icha
पढ़ने
is-
के, that's all. No?
Yeah, the word when we say patitum means padane ka icha, isn't it?
क्यों? पठितुम इच्छा is पढ़ने का इच्छा.
Patitum icha is padane ka icha. But here then why are we saying it's ichuk? The word here is ichuk. But why should it change from just patitam ichuk?
It need not change. So patitum ichukaha you can say. You can, or ichuhu rather. Patitum ichuhu you can say. And you can put san pratyay also and that will make it pipatishuhu. Like jignasuhu. Jnatum ichuhu jignasuhu. In that way you can say. But there is another way here of saying with kama and manaha. So patitum ichuhu, pipatishuhu, all that will be also correct. But you can also say patitu kamaha. The point they are trying to make here is when you say patitu kamaha or patitu manaha, that makara will get lopa. Patitum mein makar, that makara will go away. Tum ke im ko lopa kar. Patitum alone does not mean padne ka ichha. Patitum alone means padne ke or padne ke liye, padne ko, padne ke liye, padne ko. वैसे.
So it will be like aham pathami, and then you have to add ichhami, something like that. Then it will become an equivalent.
Patitum.
Ichhami.
Correct. Patitum ichhami. But there you are saying, I wish to study. Patitum ichhami. Now what if you are a wisher of study? Like what if you are the one that wishes? What do you say? I am the one that wishes to study. Aham patitum ichhami is I wish to study. What if I am the person who wishes to study?
Then you have to use this patitum.
Patitum, but not just patitum.
Patitum ichhami.
Patitum ichuhu.
Ichuhu.
Or with san pratyaya.
Aham ke saath ich.
You can also say saha. He is the one that wishes to study. Or she is the one that wishes to study. Sa, saha. Correct, it is all correct. Like you can either say patitum.
Qualifier of a person.
Correct. Yes. It is a description of the person. Yes. Vaktu kamaha. You see, vaktu kamaha means the person who wants to, who has kama of vaktum, who wants to speak. Ichuka. Bhalne ka ichuk. The one that wishes to speak, that wants to speak. That person can be vaktu kamaha or vaktu manaha or vivakshuhu or vaktum ichuhu. All are correct. It's 4 ways of saying the same thing. In kamaha, I'm sure there is an Upanishad mantra somewhere with kamaha, right? Like this way.
Satya kamaha.
Correct. In Chandogya, 8th chapter. Satya kamaha, satya sankalpaha. Exactly.
Satya sankalpa.
There will be some other with, you have to check with tumun pratyay. So satya kamaha is right, but something with like patitu kamaha. Like tumun, but that makara has got lopa. That way also I think there is something should be there. Ishtu kamaha or something. Vedavakya should have, for sure. Okay. क्या है, क्या हो सकता है? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
Probably you couldn't hear us, I think.
Now I can hear you now. I think maybe there was a bit of a lag. Karma Kanda something I heard, but then I didn't hear the rest.
Yeah, so in Karma Kanda there will be vakyas like this, right? Kartum ichhami.
Correct. Absolutely. Yeah, like Ishtakamaho, like some Veda Vakya will be there, not Ishtakamaho, Ishtakamaha or something like that. Absolutely. Correct. There may be. And maybe in Jnana Kanda there may be something that is like that Mundakopanishad mantra is there, Plavahyete Adhrida Yajna Rupa. Ashtadashoktam avaram yeshu karma. They do little ninda of karma to do stuti of jnana. Like that kind of mantra may have these kinds of like kamanya kamayate manyamanaha, that kind of.
So if you have a word like Jnapayitum Ishyami, like that Ajat Shatru,
Jnapayishyam.
that will be Tumun Pratyaya.
Correct. Absolutely. Yes. Jnapayitum ichhami.
So in that also, Jnapayitum
Jnapayitum, correct.
Kamaha.
Jnapayitu kamaha. That way we can say.
Jnapayitu Kamaha.
Or Jnapayitu manaha. That way is potentially, I think that should be okay.
ज्ञान पाने का इच्छुक हूँ, ऐसा अर्थ हुआ.
ज्ञान देने का. I want to make you remember.
Okay.
Like, or not jnana dene ka, but I want to, how do you say in Hindi? I am not
Who
sure.
is saying this to Shishya?
Guru is telling Shishya, I want to remind you of your, that. Right. But how would you say in Hindi? If you were to say, like, I want to remind you in that way.
ज्ञान देना चाहता हूँ.
ज्ञान देना चाहता. Dilwana. Dilwana maybe is a better word.
याद कराना चाहता हूँ.
Karana. That also works. Right. Astu. Ashtama. Sorry. Saptama we didn't finish, right? We finished. Sorry. Yeah, we finished. So Ashtama is Sapatitu Kamaha. Sapatitu Kamaha atva Sapatitu Manaha. Bhoktu Kamaha Bhoktu Manaha. Gatu Kamaha Gatu Manaha. They have given themselves Kamaha ya Manaha use karma. Because you see, you can use Ichuhu. Patitum Ichuhu is correct. Pipati Shuhu is also correct. Sa Pipati Shuhu. That is correct. But they have given, that is why maybe Kama ya Manaha iska prayog karna hai. Have to use these. ये शब्द के. अस्तु नाम इस कक्षा में 20 छात्र और 8 छात्राएं उपस्थित है और 4 छात्र अनुपस्थित है. It sounds like those math questions that we used to get in some random class, this person, that person. But anyway, इस कक्षा में 20 छात्र और 8 छात्राएं.
So एतत् कक्षाम.
कक्षाम इस द्वितीया. यहाँ पे कक्षा में.
So kakshe.
Kakshe is not, because kaksha is the shabda. If kakshaha was the shabda, kakshayam, satyam, samyak.
20 is Vimshati.
Vimshati.
तो छात्राः होगा तो विंशतिः.
सत्यम, बहु सम्यक्. एतस्यां कक्षायां 20 छात्राः. Then
एतस्यां कक्षायां 20 छात्राः. Then 20 छात्राः are present, right? उपस्थितः.
किंतु you can add the 8 छात्राएं also here.
Yeah, उपस्थिता. I thought we would say उपस्थितः first and then अष्ट छात्राः अनुपस्थिताः.
नहीं, 8 छात्रा अपि उपस्थिताः.
ओके. इस कक्षा में 20 छात्र और 8 छात्राएं. ओके. 20 छात्राः. 8 छात्राएं will be same thing. Is this छात्राः?
Because prathama bahuvachanam is the same. Chatraha chatrau chatraha छात्रा छात्रे छात्राः
विंशतिः छात्राः अष्ट छात्राः उपस्थिताः और के लिए चतुर्छात्राः चतुष्छात्राः
चतुरः चतुरः छात्राः
चतुरः छात्राः अनुपस्थितः
अनुपस्थितः सन्ति. In both you can add santi, maybe not necessary. अनुपस्थिताः here also, किन्तु बहुवचनं है ना, बहुवचनम् अस्ति. बहु सम्यक्, वंडरफुल. एतस्यां कक्षायां 20 छात्राः 8 छात्राः च 20 छात्राः 8 छात्राश्च उपस्थिताः सन्ति. अपि च चतुरः छात्राः अनुपस्थिताः. Generally, so generally there may be a question because, for example, if I want to have male and female, and maybe the rupa will change between pullinga and strilinga, like here first they are given pullinga, then they are given strilinga. Generally when they give this way, either you can take, if the word is the same then there's no issue, but if you have to combine, use only the second one. The second alone can be taken. There is maybe another example here. Vidyalay mein, maybe that Vidyalay mein shabda, maybe here that is a good example. So this way,
I thought we could make clear, we could do 20 बालकाः छात्राः 8 बालिकाः छात्राः, ऐसा कर सकते हैं.
बोल सकते हैं, हाँ वैसे बोल सकते हैं. You can do that way, but what you said is correct. It is not wrong. But yes, to make clear, that is a good idea. Balaka chatraha, balika chatraha. That way you can say. Sri chatraha, maybe that also is possible. That way also make it. Vidyalaye, vidyalaya mein, हाँ.
So in this one, when you have chatra and chatraye, how did you make out one was pullinga and one was strilinga even in Hindi?
Chatra, chatraye.
So in Hindi, would we say like that, Avaji? I'm not very familiar. Would you say, if it is a set of girls, would you say chatra?
Yeah. It is almost like this. बालक बालिकाएं, then you would know, right? वैसे ही छात्र छात्राएं दिया है.
हाँ वो तो दिया है, but in Hindi would we say for lady student chatra and for boy student chatra?
Yes, for example, Sundarji, you can take this.
बालिकाएं, बालक बालिका, छात्र छात्रा.
And you see the next example. विद्यालय में गुरु अग्रे
पढ़ाई आरंभ होती है.
नहीं, उसके पहले छात्रों और छात्राओं है ना सुंदर. छात्रों पुल्लिंग. So here it is more obvious. Chatra chatrayam is not that obvious, but here it is clearly this way. अस्तु विद्या किं भविष्यति विद्यालय में गुरु छात्रों और छात्रों.
विद्यालये अगेन लाइक कक्षायाम के जैसा विद्यालये.
करेक्ट, विद्यालये सत्यम. देन
छात्रान् विद्यालये गुरवः
गुरवः गुरवः
विद्यालये गुरवः छात्रान् अगेन छात्रान्.
So
why would we use Guravaha? Because here it can be one guru also.
पूछते हैं. अच्छा, आदरार्थे बहुवचनम. You are saying that? Then Sanskrit also you have to say na Guravaha only.
Yeah, it's just that it is like they, the teacher के लिए ही नहीं बोलते हैं they, like that.
Exactly. So here they, but main thing is here they have given हैं बहुवचनम. So आप बोलते हैं, वे भी बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन there also you can use आदरार्थे बहुवचनम only. And generally for Guru, Bahuvachanam is generally while writing etc. Guru Bahuvachanam is a good practice. Vidyalaya Guravaha Chatran. Why Srilinga? But why should Srilinga be Chatran? Chatraha Chatrau Chatraha. Chatram Chatrau Chatran. This is Pullinga. Srilinga will be like Rama Shabda. Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha.
Chatraha. Chatran, Chatraha, Cha, Krishna, Prichanti.
Satyam, Bahu Samyak. Agre? Ve.
उत्तर देते हैं. Te.
Why te?
Plural ना?
But plural of Saha, Saha Taute. But there are both male and female, right?
So it's a combined te, right?
But why te?
All of them.
The question is why te? So, te is for Saha. Pullinga is te. That is correct. Saha Taute. Sa te taha. So which one do we use here?
अगर हम order पहले boys and then girls ले रहे हैं तो accordingly then we should be saying taha.
Why taha? Why not te?
Whichever is the second उसके accordingly.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah?
Yes.
So last one if it is girls then
Yes.
then it will be taha.
Correct.
If I had said girls before and the okay,
Correct. So now here they are in chatrao or chatraon. So generally rule of thumb is chatraon दूसरे आ रहे बाद में. So then you take taha. But here if there is confusion, here you can also take te taha cha. That is also okay. वो सब और ये सब. ते
taha cha uttaram dadati.
Dadati. Why dadati? Let's see this.
Dadati will be singular, right? We need a plural form.
Correct. What is plural? Dadati. Bahuvachanam.
ददन ऐसे तो सामने कर रहा ददंती जैसा तो कोई शब्द नहीं होता.
Dadati Bahuvachanam is
ददाती and ददामी.
not this. Sorry.
I don't know. This was Bahuvachanam.
Dadati Bahuvachanam is going to be Dadati. You see here? Why they have given all this? Dadati, Dattaha Dadati. In that way this will come. But why is it not turning up? I don't know. Dadati it is be. It will be. Maybe here. Yes. Dadati, Dattaha. Do you see my screen? You cannot see, right? Something else is... now you can see. Dadati, Dattaha, Dadati.
Yeah. Te taha uttaram dadati.
Te,
Dadati.
te tascha uttaram dadati. Satyam. Bahu samyak. Abhaji, very good. Today all the complicated sentences are easy for you. The uttaram dadati, athava you can also say uttaranti instead of saying separately. Astu.
Do we say for prashnanti?
नहीं, वो नहीं होगा.
नहीं.
प्रश्नं
Questions
पृच्छन्ति.
and answers, yes, any.
नहीं. Prashnanti will not come, but prashnam pruchhanti will come. It depends on the shabda, right? Shabda will not allow for prashnanti, but uttaranti is a good shabda. 10 बजे विद्यालय की पढ़ाई आरंभ होती है. किम भविष्यति? So I can say this actually because it's a little harder. Dasha vadane. Vadanam was there, right, earlier? This vadanam baje. This is why they are given. O'clock. Dasha vadanam. 10 o'clock, dasha.
Arambhate is okay, right?
Arabhate. Arabhate. दशवादनं दशवादनं विद्यालये पठनम् आरभते, विद्यालयस्य पठनम् आरभते. बट कैन आई, व्हाट इफ आई सेड 10 बजे से, फिर क्या बोल रहे हैं?
दशनस्य, like you did for विद्यालयस्य.
दशवादनात्,
Okay.
उससे पंचमी, विद्यालय की इस षष्ठी.
From 10 o'clock.
हाँ, दशवादनात्, जैसे रामात्, जैसे अहम ऋषिकेश नगरात् प्रयागराज नगरम गच्छामि. फ्रॉम ऋषिकेश आई एम गोइंग देयर. दैट.
So आपने कहा था विद्यालयस्य,
हाँ,
which is विद्यालय में.
नहीं, षष्ठी, विद्यालय की. विद्यालय ये विल बी विद्यालय में, सप्तमी. विद्यालयस्य इस् षष्ठी. रामस्य, एतत् रामस्य पुस्तकम् अस्ति. एषः रामस्य बालकः अस्ति.
Possessive. Yeah, so दशस्य is not right.
दशवादनात्, यू कैन से, दशवादनात् विद्यालयस्य पठनम् आरभते. छात्र अपने मित्रों के साथ. This we have done many abhyasas ago. We had this cha pratyaya, and we are doing sandhi. There was cha pratyaya. Anyone remembers any words for cha pratyaya? This is a hint. In this sentence, there can be a cha pratyaya. It had come, right, in which class? Naishkarmi Siddhi, I think, last week. All those tarka questions, nyaya questions were coming back to back, and then a question came, which pratyaya is this? Cha pratyaya is like swakiya, parakiya, aspadi bhutiya. Iya will be there in cha pratyaya. Swakiya means my, mere. Parakiya, somebody else's. Nyaya matam parakiya asti. Someone else's matam, not mine. In that way. So छात्र अपने मित्रों स्वकीय, you can say, और हाँ,
स्वकीय मित्र सह.
हाँ, मित्रेण सह, और मित्रैहि सह, बिकॉज मित्रों के साथ, बहुवचन. मित्रैहि और सखिभिः, स्वकीय मित्रैहि सह और स्वकीय सखिभिः सह, और हाँ, that way we can say. छात्रः स्वकीयैः सखिभिः सह कक्षायां, क्योंकि कक्षा में
बैठते हैं.
कक्षायाम इज करेक्ट. हाँ, सप्तमी. आस बैठते हैं. आस धातु इज करेक्ट, बट बहुवचनम विल बी प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम. आस्ताम इज, हाँ, आसते, 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 इज इट आसते? आस्ते, आसते, आसते, सत्यम, बहु सम्यक. आसते, कक्षायाम आसते. लेखम लेखितुम, पुस्तकम पठितुम च. You can just put quickly. लेख लिखते हैं और पुस्तक पढ़ते हैं. अच्छा, सॉरी. लेखम लिखन्ति, पुस्तकम पठन्ति. पुस्तकानि पठन्ति. लेखम लिखन्ति. So this swakiya parakiya is cha pratyaya, even though it is not explicitly mentioned, and I think in this book it doesn't even come in Rachana Nalakambi. But of course, as we have noticed in Vedanta classes, it is common. So cha pratyaya is here. कुछ छात्र परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण होते हैं और कुछ अनुत्तीर्ण बेचारे. क्या होगा?
कुछ is usually केचित्.
बहु सम्यक, केचित्. हाँ, then
So केचित् छात्राः.
हाँ,
परीक्षा, so therefore परीक्षा में
Parikshayam it will be. Pariksha is स्त्रीलिंग शब्द.
परीक्षा स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. Okay, so परीक्षायाम. So उत्तीर्ण होते हैं. So उत्तीर्ण होते हैं. So therefore this is again उत्तीर्णति only.
हाँ, सत्य.
उत्तीर्णति है.
उत्तीर्णन्ति. छात्राः बोल रहे हैं ना हम. कुछ छात्र परीक्षा में होते हैं, प्लूरल, बहुवचन. दे पास. उत्तीर्णन्ति. केचित् अनुत्तीर्णन्ति. किंतु वी कैन आल्सो से परीक्षाम उत्तीर्णन्ति. परीक्षा और केचित् अनुत्तीर्णन्ति. कुछ खिलाड़ी क्रीडा क्षेत्र में गेंद खेल रहे हैं. खिलाड़ी दे आर गिवन, राइट. क्रीडा कहा इज अ शब्द फॉर क्रीडा, खिलाड़ी.
It's a good sentence for today because India won.
बॉल के लिए
कंदुकेन.
कंदुके.
गेंद मतलब कंदुकाः. कंदुकम, आई गेस. कंदुका, दैट इज बॉल.
कंदुक.
But nobody plays the ball, na? They are playing through the ball or with the ball or by the ball or something. So
Yes.
kandukena.
तो कंदुके. क्रीडन्ति.
क्रीडन्ति.
प्लूरल.
हाँ, सत्यम.
क्रीडाक्षेत्रे.
सत्यं, बहु सम्यक्. क्रीडाक्षेत्रे क्रीडकाः क्रीडाक्षेत्रे केचित् क्रीडकाः क्रीडाक्षेत्रे कन्दुकेन क्रीडन्ति. बहुत क अलिटरेशन. हाँ, सुंदर जी, सॉरी, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग.
It's a good sentence for today. India won in cricket.
अच्छा, हाँ.
Yeah,
दावा.
I did. After this small, very small diversion, if I may,
हाँ,
all my, Saturday I said I cannot do Swamiji's class.
हाँ.
That day I had gone to watch the match, the test match live. पूरा राग द्वेष इतना जोर से बाहर आ रहा था. I was thinking ये तो मतलब वेदांत छोड़ के आना प्लस पूरी तरह छोटा ही हो गया था. It's like, oh my God, how do you practice your Vedanta here? Was the thing that was going on in my mind.
Be sakshi to the ball.
It's competitive when we come to sports.
True. Rajasickness will be more. Also, दावात में स्याही है. दावात, इंक पॉट. दावात, मसी पात्र. मसी पात्र. हाँ, मसी पात्रे.
मसी पात्रे. स्याही संति. मसी संति.
मसी संति. मसी अस्ति. बस ना, स्याही है.
मसी अस्ति.
मसी अस्ति. इफ यू वर टू डू संधि किम भविष्यति? मसी अस्ति.
मसी अस्ति.
हाँ,
मस्यास्ति.
नहीं, sorry, both sound correct, but I'm not sure. Masi asti kim bhavishyati?
So it's E and right?
हाँ.
So E and is our ego energy. So
But it is masi, right? Dirghai.
but here it is dirghai, correct?
Abhaji, you agree with Sundarji or not? You also answer, right?
I said मस्यास्ति and आपने कहा wrong है.
I didn't hear, but yes, it is wrong. Masyasti nasti. हाँ. So masi asti. So the question here is, masi asti will have eco energy or not?
It can have because eco energy applies both on E and dirghai also.
Correct. It will have, or it can have. I am just asking question to confuse. It will have. Masi asti is masyasti. It is masyasti.
स्वामी जी से पूछा तो confidence चला जाएगा. That is what happened.
You are correct. Yeah, but see, you are definitely correct. Eco energy is what is acting here. Whether hrasvai or dirghai, both are eco energy only. Masyasti, masi asti, masyasti. अस्तु, अपनी लेखनी से 4 पृष्ठ लिखो. अच्छा, किम भविष्यति?
स्वकीय.
हाँ, स्वकीय.
स्वकीय लेखनी से. So therefore तृतीय.
Or Panchami. Panchami is better.
Okay, from. No, but
Okay, Tritiya.
is better.
Okay, Tritiya is better. Sure. Tritiya ekvachanam. Kim bhavishyati?
Okay, so this is Lekhani is like Rama, right?
Nahi, Lekhani is like Ikara. Rama is Akara.
Akara. So Ikara, like Mati and
Nadi. Mati is Rasva, Nadi is Dirgha. So Lekhani, Dirgha, Nadi. Nadi Shabad.
Like Nadya.
Nadyaha.
So Lekinya. Something like that.
So, correct. That exactly that. Lekanyaha. But Swakiyaha, it will follow. Swakiyaha Lekanyaha. Swakiya
Lekiyaha Lekanyaha.
Chaturaha Prishtaha. Prishtaha Likho.
Likhanti.
Likho.
Lekho. So Lekha.
Lekhatu. Lekha. Likha. Yes. Likha. Because guna will not happen for lik dhatu. Because it is adadi gana, right? Lik dhatu is tudadi gana. Guna will not happen. So it will be likhatu only. Where is that? Do you see lot lakara?
So far not seen.
Is
It comes a bit down, I think.
Here you see likhatu. है ना?
Yeah, Lekhatu.
और लिखा like जैसे श्रुनु पश्य in भगवद गीता भगवान से सेम लिखा. ओके, अनुशासन का पालन करो. सो पालन करो कैन जस्ट बी पालयतु, राइट? अनुशासनम पालयतु इस मच इज करेक्ट. वह धूली पर बैठता है. वही तो. करेक्ट. व्हाई डू दैट? एनीवे ही इज डूइंग दैट. भूमि ले सकते हैं. मे बी इज सिटिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड धूली पर. सो भूमौ आस धातु भूमौ और धेनु. इफ यू वांट टू टेक धूली, रेणु you can say, but bhumau is maybe better. Adhitishtati, you can say adhitishtati, sidati, aste, bhumau aste, bhumim adhitishtati. That way you can say. Sidati, satyam, bhumau sidati. If you get upasarga, जैसे adhi upasarga, adhitishtati, adhi sidati, adhyaste, adhyasa, all that, right? Adhyasa, adhyasa. If adhyasa, adhi shabda upasarga is coming, then dvitiya vibhakti will come. There is a sutra, adhishinstasa karma. We had seen the sutra in the dvitiya prakaranam, dvitiya vibhakti, first 7th abhyasa or 8th abhyasa. When adhi upasarga, adhi dhatus and all come, then dvitiya can be used. So bhumim adhitishtati or bhumau sidati, bhumau aste. And all this is simple. Tvam sidasi or tvam asse, aham asam, sa lang lakara. So sa will be asyaha, right? Like tu beta will be asya. Sa asta, tvam asyaha. So all this we are taking from lang lakara. As dhatu lang lakara. So this will all be like. Sorry, we have gone little over time today, but we will finish soon. As dhatu lang lakara will be like this. Asta, asthaha, asi. Sa asta, tvam asthaha, aham asi. And same for betega. Adititsyati, asyate, asye. मैं बैठा, we finished. वह बैठेगा और वह बैठे. So वह बैठेगा will be drit lakara. आशिष्यते. And बैठे विधिलिंग. asita, asishyate and asita. That is why they had given all these shabdas here, Krishna, Ramaha atra.
They had said na iske sare roop smaran karo.
Correct. So all five, and they have given here, even after that, you see, Udaharan Vakya mein, Ramaha asti astam asita asta asishyate. All five, वही यहाँ पे पूछ रहे. Okay, लिखितुम.
This is an open book, so we have to see carefully.
Yes, true. Correct. Likitum dugdum sahitum prachitum. So guna will happen. Likidata become lekitum. Lekitum dogdum sodum prashtum. Guna happens. Patitum manaha nasti. This was the point that they had given. Patitum kamaha nasti. Makara will get lopa. Patitu manaha. Patitu kamaha. Ga ko bahuvachan. We have been doing all bahuvachan ekvachan. No need to do separately. As dhatu ke dason lakar we saw. इन शब्दों के पूरे रूप लिखो. धेनु रेणु रज्जु. This will all be like this. Dhenu shabda that they have given. Strilinga shabda. Ukaranta strilinga. तुमन प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाने के नियमों का सोदाहरण बताओ. अच्छा. So all that. तुम वक्तु कामाहा, वक्तुम इच्छति, वक्तुम शक्यते, and vaktumanaha. And anything else? There was something else. Vaktum alam. That also you can say. All these are the niyamas. Tumun pratyay lagakar, all of the examples they have given in the earlier two niyamas, all the examples separately you can see. So the first example, okay, we will see. First example, patitum ichchati, right? Ichchartaka. Patitum ichchati. Then shakyate. Patitum shakyate. Then patitum alam. Patitum paryaptam. Patitum alam. Then you can say patitu kamaha, patitu manaha. Vaktu kamaha, vaktu manaha. So 5 are here. All 5 we have seen. इन धातुओं के तुमुन प्रत्यय के रूप बनाओ. कृ धातु किम भविष्यति? तुमुन प्रत्यय रूप है कर्तुम. In the same way, hartum, dhartum, patitum, lekhitum. This is all easy. Gam dhatu. Gam. Try again.
Gam is right?
Gantum. They have given, right? You see, gam is gantum.
Gamanam भी एक होता है ना शब्द.
हाँ, gama. Any of these dhatus you can make. Pat dhatu can be patanam, or this haranam. Anything. Har dhatu haranam, kri dhatu karanam. That is another pratyaya. That is called. That is called. You remember which pratyaya? We have seen this few times, but you remember which pratyaya? That is called lyut pratyaya. L-Y-U-T. Lyut. I think that also will come later. Patanam, gamanam, darshanam, etc.
Lyut came right at the end.
Sorry, Sundaji.
It came in the end. Abaji, what you are saying? Because?
So I just remembered this adharam madhuram mein na.
Gamanam madhuram. Correct.
That's why I did gamitum.
Absolutely. So gamanam, gamitum people, gachitum is wrong. Gamitum some people say, but gantum is better. Then bhuj dhatu. Bhuj bhoktum. Bhoktum ichcha. Bhoktaram.
This sahan karna is sodhum.
Sodhum. Satyam. Vaha vodhum. Carry. Bhar. Bhar. Srij dhatu. So this will be sarjum. But here vrashcha, bhrashcha, srija, mrija, yaja, raja, bhraja, that dhatu will come. Dhatu ke antim cha aur isko srashtum. Satyam. Bahu samyak. Srashtum. Not sarjum. Srashtum. Here they are given srashtum. And yaj will become yashtum. Yaj yahan pe nahi hai. Anyway, drash dhatu. Drish dhatu. Drashtumichhami.
We spoke about it yesterday.
Yes, drashtum. Ruhu, duha, all this. Dogdum, dahad ogdum. Lab, han, we have to see. Hantum, gatum, ahvaitum. But ruha and labha, maybe they have given here. Ram, they have given rantum.
Arudham. That is arud.
So rule.
That is not true.
कोई बात नहीं. Aruha, you just remove the akara. Upasarga will go away. Rodhum. Aruha is arodum, so ruha will be rodum. That's all. Ahve ahvatum. Trai tratum. Gai gatum. So they have given everything. And rudha will be rodhum. But ruha will be rodhum. So there are small differences here. But they have given everything. Labha labdhum. All have been given. Chit chetum. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shantihi 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyagato Vande Bhagavantau Pnapna Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagini Vyomavadyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha Om Shantihi 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 Om